wait, we're still rolling audio. Yeah, we're good. Rolling. Yep. Okay. All right, I'll cut it and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can cut bread. I know that. Well, like this sideways or long ways?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna remember. So, jamon first?
No. Butter first.
Oh,
Butter first.
dude.
La mantequilla. That one right there.
Enough?
Enough, yeah.
Good.
Just at the bottom.
This is a flat spoon. On purpose.
On purpose, just for the butter.
That's amazing. Was it made like that, or did you make it like that?
David made it like that.
David made it like that. David was already very important in my eyes. Now he's super important.
There we go.
Jamon.
Jamon.
All right, bueno. All right, fold it.
Fold it.
And just like one layer.
Two layers of jamon.
Two, right?
Yeah, two.
To cover the bread.
To cover the bread.
All right. Okay. Seriously, man, like it's not like I won't tell David. Like it's not sometimes you're just like
Always.
yeah.
I always it's usually like 10 inch. I make like 12, 13, to get a little extra.
You take the extra 2 inches.
Yeah.
Dude, I think if I owned a restaurant, you're the kind of guy that I would want.
I'll be there.
Yes.
Just give me a
Be perfect.
So now we
Just
go.
so yeah.
Puerto. The Puerto.
Cerdo.
Cerdo, huh?
All right. Same thing.
Same thing. 2 layers.
2 layers.
Put it extra that way.
What's that?
Put it extra there.
Extra layer.
Yeah.
Okay, so like that.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Now, is this pork? Is it like it's just literally like like a pork roast and it's just sliced?
Yeah.
One more layer, you think?
One more layer, yeah. One more layer. You see, always from beginning to end.
Yes.
It's never an open space.
This is, this is actually a pretty, like, you need skill for
It's
this.
serious, yeah.
Yeah.
No. Queso. The cheese
Queso.
right here.
Where is the queso? There we go.
Swiss cheese.
Dos, see?
Dos,
Okay.
Always dos.
And a little bit more here, so I'll just take
Just grab one
Yeah.
and cut it in half. That way.
So smart, man.
There you go, you see?
Yep. All right, pickles.
Pickles.
It's my hands okay? Okay.
Always there we go.
Yeah.
I see you like the pickles.
I love pickles. Wait, is that too many pickles?
So many pickles. Usually about 4 or 5, but since you're making your
For the
own,
whole thing?
For the whole thing. But since it's yours, you can put as many pickles as you want.
Dude, that's good because, yeah, I love pickles. And seriously, you put 4 pickles?
4 or 5 pickles. It depends on
3,
the size.
4, 5, 6. I got 7 right now. Is that right?
Yeah, that's good.
It's actually part of the taste test, so we won't tell my dad which one. The pickles are differentiated.
All right.
Yeah, and then so okay, mostaza.
Mostaza. Just a little bit, not too much. Just to get a little hint,
Another one of these flat. David, he's another one of these flat spoons. These are good. Why a flat spoon and not a knife? More. Okay.
It makes it easy to spray, yeah.
More surface area.
Yeah. Now you just cover it.
Yeah, I put butter on it, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go.
Now we put on the grill, and then once it's on the grill, we put a little butter on top
Yes.
to get it nice and toasty.
Yes. All right.
All right, and then a little bit of butter right here. How's that? Is that enough? Too much? Good?
That's good.
All right, and then just
Let it there.
push it or just let it rest?
Push it a little bit. There we go. Yeah, that's good.
All right. I kind of like them. I like them really like
Really toasted
yeah,
and crispy.
toasted
Yeah.
and crispy. This is the third best experience of my life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah,
that's
it's
good.
really that good.
You have 3 girls and a wife.
Right. Well, I'm saying I have 3 girls and a wife. So yeah. So my wife and my girls that take number 1 and
Okay.
number 2.
Number 2, yeah.
Making a Cuban sandwich with Danny,
Number 3.
dude.
This is awesome.
Yeah. And just so you know, it's almost a tie with number 1 and number 2.
All right.
This is awesome. All right. And then so when we're done, we're gonna take one of Danny's.
Okay.
And we'll take one of mine. And we'll give it to my dad.
See if you like
And then my dad will test it.
Get in there.
Okay.
If you want, you can put a little more butter on top, so that way. Just 1 minute. Yeah, there we go. I think it's nice and golden.
It is. It's good. Yeah. Hey, are we ready?
Yeah, it looks ready.
How do I take it off? Knife?
Knife, or use this one. It's much better.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Just get all of it.
Okay. Now, I just want you to know, if I beat you, like, I still respect you.
Okay.
Okay?
There's a rematch for this. There's a rematch if I lose.
Okay. Because he'll know, like, he's watching, so he'll know if it's not the same
Okay.
size. Holy shit, this is hot. Oh, dude! It's really hot.
Just use fingertips.
Yeah, do. Okay. So, let's see how this goes. All right.